Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have this spiced cider from ARVIDSSON, and I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second. But first, I'm gonna tell you some things you need to know about this. And the bottle, it just looks incredible. It is just decorated with apples, and it has like this orangish theme throughout the bottle. And it has 10 milliliters of oil in there, which is about 180 drops. So a lot of drops of oil, guys. It's gonna last a long time. I just really like the scent because it smells like a very sweet apple with some kind of like almost like a cinnamony scent to it, and it just smells so good. I would highly recommend throwing this in a diffuser. It just fills your house with some sweet aromas. It kind of reminds you of, like, you know, you're sitting around a campfire or at a cabin and at a family vacation, and your grandma comes out and pours you guys a bunch of just apple ciders or something like that. That's what this brings out in my memories when I smell this. It's just, I highly recommend it, guys, and that's has to be my favorite thing, guys. Is just how sweet this smells, as well as that spiciness, and how great this thing just fills your room when you put it in a diffuser. I highly recommend this product, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.